habits. Let's develop good habits with JoJo. Love brushing teeth.
Dear brother, come brush your teeth and wash your face. Be sure to brush your teeth carefully. Don't forget to spit out the dirty mouthwash. Good job! JoJo, now it's your turn to brush your teeth and wash your face. JoJo, be sure to clean your teeth like your brother and sister. Rinse your mouth and spit out the mouthwash. Yay! Your teeth are so clean.
Let's do it with JoJo!
It's important for your baby to wash up after waking up and before bedtime. You can choose the toothbrush and towel with lovely designs, or sweet-flavored toothpaste for kids to help your baby enjoy brushing teeth and washing face.
Let's develop good habits with JoJo. Love eating.
JoJo, have a good meal so you can get taller quickly.
Well, JoJo has no appetite. I don't want to eat.
Look, JoJo. These are what food elves turn into. Food elves are quite awesome.
Wow! Little elves! Little elves!
Go check it out with Mommy.
I am fish. I can make you smarter. I want to turn into delicious fish soup. Pick out fish bones. Be careful with fish bones when eating and don't swallow them. Hello, shiitake mushrooms. Would you like to turn into fish soup together? Sure, we would love to.
Shiitake mushrooms are very nutritious.
little tofu. Would you like to join us to turn into fish soup? Sure, fish soup will be more nutritious with tofu added.
Wow, it smells great. It must be delicious.
Let's do it with JoJo! It's time to eat!
Fish contains DHA. Having more fish soup is beneficial for children's intelligent growth.
I am broccoli. I can enable you to poop easily. I want to turn into stir-fried broccoli with shrimp. Hello, shrimps. Would you like to turn into stir-fried dish with me?
Great! We would love to!
Shrimp can make children stronger.
Hello, carrot. Would you like to join us to turn into stir-fried dish together? Of course. The carrot will enrich the flavor of this dish. with JoJo! It's time to eat!
Broccoli contains a variety of vitamins that can effectively improve children's immunity.
Beef! I am beef. I can make you stronger. Please help me turn into delicious beef dumplings. Hello, Mr. Dough. I would like to invite you to turn into beef dumplings together. Sure. Would love to help. Hello! We want to turn into beef dumplings. Would you like to join us?
Wow! It's so much fun! We would like to join you.
The small doughs are gonna have some nutritious vegetable juice. Great! You've made a nice-looking dumpling. JoJo! It's time to eat!
Beef can supplement children with quality protein to provide energy for their growth.